Hello guys, welcome to Tech for Your channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the difference of block and inline element in HTML. So before that, if you are new to our channel, subscribe to Tech for You channel to get more tech related updates. Now coming to the difference between block level and inline. The first difference is it consists of the whole block or width in the web page. For example, now I am considering this paragraph tag, and this paragraph tag consists of many lines and many sentences. So the space taken in the web page is according to the sentences and lines in the paragraph. So it covers the web page accordingly. But in inline, it does not covers the whole space. It takes only the required space. For example, now I am taking this emphasis tag. So this emphasis tag does the work of changing the element into italics. So it does not take the whole space of the web page. It takes only the required space for that word to change into italics. And the second difference is always the block level element starts in the new line and ends before the new line. For example, now you have already wrote 3 lines of code, and after that if you are using this paragraph tag, the content inside the paragraph will start from the new line, and after that it ends before the new line, which means after completion of this paragraph tag, if you are giving some other tag, it does not continues, it starts from the new line. Whereas in inline, it does not start from the new line, it continues from that line where you left the previous code. Okay, now we will see the live result for both these difference. Here I am taking the online compiler. You can also use Sublime or simply Notepad, but don't forget to save the extension as .html. Here I have commented for your reference to know the difference between block and inline. So the first point I said is it covers the full block or width in the web page. So for this example, I am just taking the paragraph tag. Now I am copying the sentence. And now I am simply running this. So here you can see this, it takes the space for web page according to it. Okay, so to understand this more, I am just adding the style. Now for your understanding, I am just giving the border. So by this you can understand till which the content extended. Okay, now if I am running this, after running you can see the border from here to here, and actually the content stops here but the border is extended till this, which means the block level element covers the whole width of the web page according to the paragraph. Okay, now we will see about inline element. As I told, an inline element, it takes only the required space. Okay, for this now I am changing the element into emphasis. And what happens if I am running this? Okay, here you can see that it takes only the required field and it does not takes in block. So it does not take the space here. So this is the first difference between block and inline. So the next difference is it always starts from the new line, and here in inline it doesn't start from the new line, it continues. So for this I'm just going to give you the new example and clearing this. Okay, for this I am taking the heading tag, which is head1, and closing the tag and just typing some sample names and coming to paragraph tag and I'm going to paste the same paragraph. Okay, now if I'm running this, so after running you can see the space between this heading tag and this paragraph. Already I told it always starts from the new line, so it starts from the new line, and also I told about end before the new line, which means here there is a new line and it ends before the new line, and also it is starting from the new line. This is for block level element. Now I am coming for inline. For inline I am just clearing this example. Now I am using anchor tag and giving some reference name simply just for sake, and here I am giving the end tag, and inside that I am giving just some name. Okay, now I am copying this and pasting for 2 more times. Now I am running this. Here you can see the difference that it does not comes to the next line, it continues in the same line. So this is the difference between block and inline element. Hope it helps you. If you want more video related to this, comment below and subscribe to Tech For You channel to get more useful updates. Meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching.